Unit 10 Chapter 7 Mineral and Energy Resources. India is endowed with a rich variety of mineral resources due to its varied geological structure. Bulk of the valuable minerals are products of pre-Paleozoic age. Refer Chapter 2 of Class-12 textbook, Fundamentals of Physical Geography, and are mainly associated with metamorphic and igneous rocks of the peninsular India. The vast alluvial plain tract of North India is devoid of minerals of economic use. The mineral resources provide the country with the necessary base for industrial development. In this chapter, we shall discuss the availability of various types of mineral and energy resources in the country. A mineral is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. Types of mineral resources. On the basis of chemical and physical properties, minerals may be grouped under two main categories of metallics and non-metallics, which may further be classified as follows. Fig. 7.1 Classification of minerals. As it is clear from the Fig. 7.1, metallic minerals are the sources of metals. Iron ore, copper, gold produce metal and are included in this category. Metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous metallic minerals. Ferrous, as you know, refers to iron. All those minerals which have iron content are ferrous, such as iron ore itself, and those which do not have iron content are non-ferrous, such as copper, bauxite, etc. Non-metallic minerals are either organic in origin, such as fossil fuels, also known as mineral fuels, which are derived from the buried animal and plant life, such as coal and petroleum. Other type of non-metallic minerals are inorganic in origin, such as mica, limestone and graphite, etc. Minerals have certain characteristics. These are unevenly distributed over space. There is inverse relationship in quality and quantity of minerals, i.e., good quality minerals are less in quantity as compared to low quality minerals. The third main characteristic is that all minerals are exhaustible over time. These take long to develop geologically and they cannot be replenished immediately at the time of need. Thus, they have to be conserved and not misused, as they do not have the second crop. Agencies involved in the exploration of minerals in India. Systematic surveying, prospecting and exploration for minerals is undertaken by the Geological Survey of India, GSI, Oil and Natural Gas Commission, ONGC, Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited. MECL, National Mineral Development Corporation, NMDC, Indian Bureau of Mines, IBM, Bharat Gold Mines Limited. BGML, Hindustan Copper Limited. HCL, National Aluminium Company Limited, NALCO, and the Departments of Mining and Geology in various states. Distribution of minerals in India. Most of the metallic minerals in India occur in the peninsular plateau region in the old crystalline rocks. Over 97% of coal reserves occur in the valleys of Damodar, Son, Mahanadi and Godavari. Petroleum reserves are located in the sedimentary basins of Assam, Gujarat and Mumbai High offshore region in the Arabian Sea. New reserves have been located in the Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri basins. Most of the major mineral resources occur to the east of a line linking Mangalore and Kanpur. Minerals are generally concentrated in three broad belts in India. There may be some sporadic occurrences here and there in isolated pockets. These belts are the Northeastern Plateau region. This belt covers Chota Nagpur, Jharkhand, Orissa Plateau, West Bengal and parts of Chhattisgarh. Have you ever thought about the reason of major iron and steel industry being located in this region? It has variety of minerals viz. Iron ore, coal, manganese, bauxite, mica. Find out the specific region where these minerals are being extracted. The Southwestern Plateau region. This belt extends over Karnataka, Goa and contiguous Tamil Nadu uplands and Kerala. This belt is rich in ferrous metals and bauxite. It also contains high-grade iron ore, manganese and limestone. This belt packs in coal deposits except Neyveli lignite. This belt does not have as diversified mineral deposits as the Northeastern belt. Kerala has deposits of monazite and thorium, bauxite clay. Goa has iron ore deposits. The northwestern region. This belt extends along Aravalli in Rajasthan and part of Gujarat, and minerals are associated with Davos system of rocks. Copper, zinc have been major minerals. Rajasthan is rich in building stones, i.e. sandstone, granite, marble. Gypsum and fuller's earth deposits are also extensive. Dolomite and limestone provide raw materials for cement industry. Gujarat is known for its petroleum deposits. You may be knowing that Gujarat and Rajasthan both have rich sources of salt. Why and where Dandi March was organized by Mahatma Gandhi? The Himalayan belt is another mineral belt where copper, lead, zinc, cobalt and tungsten are known to occur. They occur on both the eastern and western parts. Assam Valley has mineral oil deposits. Besides, oil resources are also found in offshore areas near Mumbai coast, Mumbai High. In the following pages you will find the spatial pattern of some of the important minerals. Ferrous minerals such as iron ore, manganese, chromite, H, provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industries. Our country is well placed in respect of ferrous minerals both in reserves and production. Iron ore. India is endowed with fairly abundant resources of iron ore. It has the largest reserve of iron ore in Asia. The two main types of ore found in our country are hematite and magnetite. It has great demand in international market due to its superior quality. The iron ore mines occur in close proximity to the coal fields in the northeastern plateau region of the country, which adds to their advantage. Iron Pratishat 20 or 8.tif. Can you find out its reason? The total reserves of iron ore in the country were about 20 billion tons in the year 2004-05. About 95% of total reserves of iron ore is located in the states of Orissa, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Goa, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. In Orissa, iron ore occurs in a series of hill ranges in Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj and Jar. The important mines are Guru Mahesani, Sulaipet, Badampahar, Mayurbhanj, Kirubru, Kendujhar, and Bone, Sundargarh. Similar hill ranges, Jharkhand has some of the oldest iron ore mines and most of the iron and steel plants are located around them. Most of the important mines such as Nomund and Guar are located in Purbi and Paschimi Singhabhum districts. This belt further extends to Durg, Dantewara and Biladila. Delhi and Rajara in Durg are the important mines of iron ore in the country. In Karnataka, iron ore deposits occur in Sandur Hospate area of Bellary district, Baba Budan Hills and Kudrimukh in Chikmagalur district and parts of Shimoga, Chitradurg and Tumkur districts. The districts of Chandrapur, Bhandara and Ratnagiri in Maharashtra, Karimnagar, Warangal, Kurnool, Kadapa and Anantapur districts of Andhra Pradesh, Salam and Nilgiris districts of Tamil Nadu are other iron mining regions. Goa has also emerged as an important producer of iron ore. Map Pratishat 2011.tif. Fig. 7.2. India metallic minerals, ferrous. Manganese. Manganese is an important raw material for smelting of iron ore and also used for manufacturing ferro alloys. Manganese deposits are found in almost all geological formations. However, it is mainly associated with Davos system. Orissa is the leading producer of manganese. Major mines in Orissa are located in the central part of the iron ore belt of India, particularly in Bone, Kendujhar, Sundargarh, Gangapur, Koraput, Kalahandi and Bolangir. Karnataka is another major producer and here the mines are located in Davao, Bellary, Belgaum, North Kannada, Chikmagalur, Shimoga, Chitradurg and Tumkur. Maharashtra is also an important producer of manganese which is mined in Nagpur, Bhandara and Ratnagiri districts. The disadvantage to these mines is that they are located far from steel plants. The manganese belt of Madhya Pradesh extends in a belt in Balaghat, Chhindwara, Nimar, Mandla and Jhabua districts. Andhra Pradesh, Goa, and Jharkhand are other minor producers of manganese. Non-ferrous minerals. India is poorly endowed with non-ferrous metallic minerals except bauxite. Bauxite is the ore which is used in manufacturing of aluminium. Bauxite is found mainly in tertiary deposits and is associated with laterite rocks occurring extensively either on the plateau or hill ranges of peninsular India and also in the coastal tracts of the country. Orissa happens to be the largest producer of bauxite. Kalahandi and Sambalpur are the leading producers. The other two areas which have been increasing their production are Bolangir and Koraput. The patlands of Jharkhand in Lohardaga have rich deposits. Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra are other major producers. Bhavanagar, Jamnagar in Gujarat have the major deposits. Chhattisgarh has bauxite deposits in Amarkantak Plateau while Katni, Jabalpur area and Balaghat in MP have important deposits of bauxite. Kolaba, Thane, Ratnagiri, Satara, Pune and Kolhapur in Maharashtra are important producers. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Goa are minor producers of bauxite. Copper is an indispensable metal in the electrical industry for making wires, electric motors, transformers and generators. It is alloyable, malleable and ductile. It is also mixed with gold to provide strength to jewelry. The copper deposits mainly occur in Singhabhum district in Jharkhand, Balaghat district in Madhya Pradesh and Jhunjhunu and Alwar districts in Rajasthan. Minor producers of copper are Agnigundala in Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh, Chitradurg and Hassan districts, Karnataka, and South Arcot district, Tamil Nadu. Map Pratishat 2012.tif Fig. 7.3. India Minerals, Non-ferrous. Non-metallic minerals. Among the non-metallic minerals produced in India, mica is the important one. The other minerals extracted for local consumption are limestone, dolomite and phosphate. Mica is mainly used in the electrical and electronic industries. It can be split into very thin sheets which are tough and flexible. Mica in India is produced in Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan, followed by Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. In Jharkhand, high-quality mica is obtained in a belt extending over a distance of about 150 kilometers in length and about 22 kilometers in width in Lower Hazaribagh Plateau. In Andhra Pradesh, Nellore district produces the best quality mica. In Rajasthan, mica belt extends for about 320 km from Jaipur to Bhilwara and around Udaipur. Mica deposits also occur in Mysore and Hassan districts of Karnataka, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Madurai and Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, Alleppey in Kerala, Ratnagiri in Maharashtra, Purulia and Bankura in West Bengal. Energy resources. Mineral fuels are essential for generation of power, required by agriculture, industry, transport and other sectors of the economy. Mineral fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas, known as fossil fuels, nuclear energy minerals, are the conventional sources of energy. These conventional sources are exhaustible resources. Coal is one of the important minerals which is mainly used in the generation of thermal power and smelting of iron ore. Coal occurs in rock sequences mainly of two geological ages, namely Gondwana and Tertiary deposits. About 80% of the coal deposits in India is of bituminous type and is of non-coking grade. The most important Gondwana coal fields of India are located in Damodar Valley. They lie in Jharkhand Bengal coal belt, and the important coal fields in this region are Raniganj, Jharia, Bokaro, Giridih, Karanpura. Jharia is the largest coal field, followed by Raniganj. The other river valleys associated with coal are Godavari, Mahanadi and Son. The most important coal mining centers are Singrauli in Madhya Pradesh. Part of Singrauli coal field lies in Uttar Pradesh, Korba in Chhattisgarh, Talcher and Rampur in Orissa, Chandavardha, Kamptee and Bandar in Maharashtra and Singareni and Pandur in Andhra Pradesh. Tertiary coals occur in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Nagaland. It is extracted from Dharangiri, Cherrapunji, Mavlong and Langreen, Meghalaya, Makum, Jaipur and Nazara in Upper Assam, Namchik Namphak, Arunachal Pradesh, and Kalakot, Jammu and Kashmir. Besides, the brown coal or lignite occur in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Gujarat and Jammu and Kashmir. Fig.7.2.tif Fig.7.4 Neyveli Coalfield Map Pratishat 2013.tif Fig. 7.5 India Conventional Energy Resources. Petroleum. Crude petroleum consists of hydrocarbons of liquid and gaseous states varying in chemical composition, color and specific gravity. It is an essential source of energy for all internal combustion engines in automobiles, railways and aircraft. Its numerous byproducts are processed in petrochemical industries such as fertilizer, synthetic rubber, synthetic fiber, medicines, Vaseline, lubricants, wax, soap and cosmetics. Do you know petroleum is referred to as liquid gold because of its scarcity and diversified uses? Crude petroleum occurs in sedimentary rocks of the Tertiary period. Oil exploration and production was systematically taken up after the Oil and Natural Gas Commission was set up in 1956. Till then, the Digboy in Assam was the only oil-producing region, but the scenario has changed after 1956. In recent years, new oil deposits have been found at the extreme western and eastern parts of the country. In Assam, Digboy, Naharkatia and Maran are important oil-producing areas. The major oil fields of Gujarat are Ankaleshwar, Kalol, Mehsana, Navagam, Kosam and Lunaj. Mumbai High, which lies 160 kilometers off Mumbai, was discovered in 1973 and production commenced in 1976. Oil and natural gas have been found in exploratory wells in Krishna, Godavari, and Kaveri basin on the east coast. Oil extracted from the wells is crude oil and contains many impurities. It cannot be used directly. It needs to be refined. There are two types of refineries in India. A. Field-based and B. Market-based. Digboy is an example of field-based and Barauni is an example of market-based refinery. There are 18 refineries in India. Fig. 7.6. Identify the states in which these are located. Map Pratishat 2014.tif Fig. 7.6. India oil refineries. Natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. It is used as fuel in power sector to generate electricity, for heating purpose in industries, as raw material in chemical, petrochemical and fertilizer industries. With the expansion of gas infrastructure and local city gas distribution, COD, networks, natural gas is also emerging as a preferred transport fuel, CNG, and cooking fuel, PNG, at homes. India's major gas reserves are found in the Mumbai High and allied fields along the west coast, which are supplemented by finds in the Cambay Basin. Along the east coast, new reserves of natural gas have been discovered in the Krishna-Godavari Basin. Non-conventional energy sources. Fossil fuel sources, such as coal, petroleum, natural gas and nuclear energy, use exhaustible raw materials. Sustainable energy resources are only the renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydro, geothermal and biomass. These energy sources are more equitably distributed and environmental friendly. The non-conventional energy sources will provide more sustained, eco-friendly, cheaper energy after the initial cost is taken care of. Nuclear energy resources. Nuclear energy has emerged as a viable source in recent times. Important minerals used for the generation of nuclear energy are uranium and thorium. Uranium deposits occur in the Davao rocks. Geographically, uranium ores are known to occur in several locations along the Singhbhum copper belt. It is also found in Udaipur, Alwar and Jhunjhunu districts of Rajasthan, Durg district of Chhattisgarh, Bhandara district of Maharashtra and Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. Thorium is mainly obtained from monazite and ilmenite in the beach sands along the coast of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. World's richest monazite deposits occur in Palakkad and Kollam districts of Kerala, near Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh and Mahanadi River Delta in Orissa. Atomic Energy Commission was established in 1948. Progress could be made only after the establishment of the Atomic Energy Institute at Trombay in 1954, which was renamed as the Bhabha Atomic Research Center in 1967. The important nuclear power projects are Tarapur, Maharashtra, Rawat Bhatania, Kota, Rajasthan, Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu, Narora, Uttar Pradesh, Kaiga, Karnataka, and Kakarapara, Gujarat. Collage.tif solar energy. Sun rays tapped in photovoltaic cells can be converted into energy, known as solar energy. The two effective processes considered to be very effective to tap solar energy are photovoltaics and solar thermal technology. Solar thermal technology has some relative advantages over all other non-renewable energy sources. It is cost competitive, environment friendly and easy to construct. Solar energy is 7% more effective than coal or oil-based plants and 10% more effective than nuclear plants. It is generally used more in appliances like heaters, crop dryers, cookers, etc. The western part of India has greater potential for the development of solar energy in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Wind energy. Wind energy is absolutely pollution-free, inexhaustible source of energy. The mechanism of energy conversion from blowing wind is simple. The kinetic energy of wind, through turbines, is converted into electrical energy. The permanent wind systems such as the trade winds, westerlies and seasonal wind like monsoon have been used as source of energy. Besides these, local winds, land and sea breezes can also be used to produce electricity. India already has started generating wind energy. In Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka, favorable conditions for wind energy exist. Tidal and wave energy. Ocean currents are the storehouse of infinite energy. Since the beginning of 17th and 18th century, persistent efforts were made to create a more efficient energy system from the ceaseless tidal waves and ocean current. Large tidal waves are known to occur along the west coast of India. Hence, India has great potential for the development of tidal energy along the coasts, but so far these have not yet been utilized. Geothermal energy. When the magma from the interior of Earth comes out on the surface, tremendous heat is released. This heat energy can successfully be tapped and converted to electrical energy. Apart from this, the hot water that gushes out through the geyser wells is also used in the generation of thermal energy. It is popularly known as geothermal energy. This energy is now considered to be one of the key energy sources which can be developed as an alternate source. The hot springs and geysers are being used since medieval period. In India, a geothermal energy plant has been commissioned at Manakaram in Himachal Pradesh. The first successful, 1890, attempt to tap the underground heat was made in the city of Boise, Idaho, USA, where a hot water pipe network was built to give heat to the surrounding buildings. This plant is still working. The first successful, 1890, attempt to tap the underground heat was made in the city of Boise, Idaho, USA, where a hot water pipe network was built to give heat to the surrounding buildings. This plant is still working. Bioenergy. Bioenergy refers to energy derived from biological products which includes agricultural residues, municipal, industrial and other wastes. Bioenergy is a potential source of energy conversion. It can be converted into electrical energy, heat energy or gas for cooking. It will also process the waste and garbage and produce energy. This will improve economic life of rural areas in developing countries, reduce environmental pollution, enhance self-reliance and reduce pressure on fuel wood. One such project converting municipal waste into energy is Okhla in Delhi. Conservation of mineral resources. The challenge of sustainable development requires integration of quest for economic development with environmental concerns. Traditional methods of resource use result into generating enormous quantity of waste as well as create other environmental problems. Hence, for sustainable development calls for the protection of resources for the future generations. There is an urgent need to conserve the resources. The alternative energy sources like solar power, wind, wave, geothermal energy are inexhaustible resource. These should be developed to replace the exhaustible resources. In case of metallic minerals, use of scrap metals will enable recycling of metals. Use of scrap is especially significant in metals like copper, lead and zinc in which India's reserves are meager. Use of substitutes for scarce metals may also reduce their consumption. Export of strategic and scarce minerals must be reduced, so that the existing reserve may be used for a longer period. Exercises 1. Choose the right answers of the following from the given options. I. In which one of the following states are the major oil fields located? A. Assam. C. Rajasthan. B. Bihar. D. Tamil Nadu. E. At which one of the following places was the first atomic power station started? A. Kalpakkam. C. Rana Pratap Sagar. B. Narora. D. Tarapur. E. Which one of the following minerals is known as brown diamond? A. Iron. C. Manganese. B. Lignite. D. Mica. If. Which one of the following is non-renewable source of energy? A. Hydel. C. Thermal. B. Solar. D. Wind power. Do. Answer the following questions in about 30 words. I. Give an account of the distribution of mica in India. E. What is nuclear power? Mention the important nuclear power stations in India. E. Name non-ferrous metal. Discuss their spatial distribution. V. What are non-conventional sources of energy? 3. Answer the following questions in about 150 words. I. Write a detailed note on the petroleum resources of India. E. Write an essay on hydel power in India.